Have you ever wanted to buy a heavy-duty camera system but didn't want to go through the labor-intensive and drawn-out bidding process? Well, great news, because there is a simple solution. You can purchase the Third Eye products of your choice through Sourcewell using our competitively solicited and awarded Sourcewell contract. Leveraging this contract allows you even to purchase Third Eye SaaS module subscriptions, such as driver and fleet safety systems, positive service verification, contamination detection, commercial fleet tracking, plus vehicle health and maintenance. Sourcewell is a service cooperative created by the Minnesota Legislature as a local unit of government and is governed by a publicly elected board of directors. Their procurement team handles the entire competitive solicitation process, so you don't have to. When you purchase through Sourcewell, you can buy the Third Eye product of your choice without sending the project through a duplicate RFP or IFB procurement process. By using the existing national bid contract, participating agencies can receive the products they need more quickly and cost-effectively. That's because Sourcewell has already done all the heavy lifting for you. Furthermore, some customers in Canada can leverage our contract as well. Qualifying municipalities in most Canadian provinces can register with the Canoe Procurement Group of Canada. Canoe is a cooperative buying group tailored to municipalities, nonprofits, and the public sector across Canada. Canoe is the largest municipally focused cooperative purchasing group in the country. They have a partnership with Sourcewell as a result of the 2017 Canadian Free Trade Agreement, so you have access to all vendors available through Sourcewell. Not a participating agency with Sourcewell? No problem. Signing up for a Sourcewell account number is quick and easy. It's free for all qualifying state and local government entities, public and private educational entities, and tax-exempt nonprofit organizations. To get more information on Sourcewell purchasing or to sign up for a membership, go to www.sourcewell-mn.gov.